How to enable or disable Mark Block Sender for Mail app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next, we swipe up to go down and tap on Mail. In here, swipe up to go down and tap on Block Sender options. Now at the top here, tap on Mark Block Sender. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or you can tap on it to switch it on. If it is turned on, you can choose in actions. You can either select leave in inbox or move to trash. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.